This video is a step-by-step guide on how to uncrate your round-crafted Lumacast fire feature. Here are the items you'll need. A torque screwdriver tool with a T20 size star bit, safety gloves, and you'll want a small container to safely store or remove screws for reuse or disposal. This process will be done using 2 people at minimum. First, with your driver in hand, start by removing the screws facing up on the top plywood sheet. Next, remove the top plyboard and store it in a safe area for disposal or reuse. Then, unscrew and remove one side of the side panels from the crate and place in a safe area. Now, continue by removing opposite end panels of the crate, placing the sheets in a safe area. Remove the protective styrofoam from the top of the fire feature. Then, carefully remove the bags of infill media and place them in a secure area. Some bags can weigh up to 50 pounds or roughly 23 kilograms, so please use correct lifting techniques to avoid injury. With 2 people, lift the burner system from the protective foam sheet that's lying underneath the burner plate. Lift and gently carry this to a safe, flat area to protect the burner system. Next, remove any gas line tubing, hardware, and paperwork from the bottom of the fire feature shell, and store this with your fire burner system in a safe area. Some of our larger round fire features can weigh up to 500 pounds or roughly 227 kilograms. So please, plan accordingly to have the proper number of capable people using proper lifting techniques to safely move your fire feature. Lastly, lifting from the bottom of the fire feature, place your grip around the integrated handholds located around the fire feature's toe kick. Gently lift up and tilt your fire feature on its side and gently lower to the ground. You can then gently roll the fire feature to its final resting area for installation. You can discard or reuse any of the crating material as you see fit. If you have any further questions, please call during normal business hours or email us at any time. Thanks for watching.